I'm here at the famous Silver Dragon restaurant here in Calgary, Alberta. So they're famous for inventing the ginger beef. So I'm gonna try some of their dishes today. So let's go inside and check it out.
Long time ago.
1976. The ginger beef was invented in this restaurant.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yep. Came all the way from Vancouver to eat at this restaurant.
Okay, enjoy it.
Thank you. Oh, this is the famous ginger beef here, served at the Silver Dragon restaurant. Look at that! Look at that! So you have the beef, which is deep fried, usually cornstarch or batter or flour, but usually cornstarch because it's crispier. And then they deep fry it and then put a light sauce over it. So this is the world famous ginger beef because it was invented in this restaurant, the Silver Dragon. Oh, look at that, look at that. That's the ginger beef. So it's beef which is deep fried, usually battered or used cornstarch. And then you have this special sauce. So ginger beef was invented here at the Silver Dragon in, I think, around 1976. So it came all the way from Vancouver to try this ginger beef from the original place.
Look, you want chicken?
Nice and crispy. That's real tasty. It's got a little bit of a chili afterkick. Oh, crispy skin chicken. So this is also famous in this restaurant here. It's crispy skin chicken with the shrimp chips. Oh, so look at this. This is the crispy chicken. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this crispy chicken. Lives up to his name. It's really crispy and tasty. The juices in the chicken permeates in my mouth. So you got the chicken nicely done. You can tell the meat is still really moist. You have the nice skin with the crispy skin. What were you saying?
Oh. Well, it's one of the best crispy chicken I've had.
Oh.
The ginger beef for me is just like sweet and sour.
Okay.
But you basically come for the ginger beef, but you stay for the crispy chicken. Yeah, it's that good.
Ooh, look at this. This is the special chow mein. So everywhere I go, my brother ordered this from me. So you get the nice corn, so that's a good sign. So this is the old-fashioned style. So you have the noodles underneath there. Look at those noodles. Look at those noodles. Oh, look at these noodles. So the noodles are infused with the sauce, the special chow mein. That's a nice sized portion of the. So you got the chicken. You got some carrots for color. You got some broccoli. You got some prawns. Chinese style chicken noodle soup. So you get the thin, delicate noodles with the nice broth there. Look at the rice. You keep it nice and hot by putting a bowl over it. So a lot of restaurants, they don't. They just serve it. But here, look at that. Look at that. Oh, nice hot steaming rice. So this is a gailan. This is a Chinese veggie.
You want to put oyster sauce there.
They do more of a steam style, or boil style. Ooh, look at that, look at that. This is the shrimp toast. So it's shrimp with toast and deep fried. I had this many years ago, so this is the first time I'm gonna eat it again. So this is the shrimp toast or prawn toast. So you have the prawns with the toast and then lightly battered, I think, and then deep fried.
You like it?
I haven't had this in actually about 30 years, so it tastes really good.
Yeah, that's real old school.
I don't want to eat.
Is that good? Shrimp egg foo yung. This is the old style egg foo yung. So you get the bean sprouts and peas and veggies, and then they grill it to perfection. And you have the Chinese gravy. You can have the Chinese gravy in the bottom here. Look at that, look at that, Chinese gravy. So I can tell it's nice and delicate. So this is the prawn egg foo yung. So you got the bean sprouts, you got some peas, got some veggies, and a nice sauce over it.
chicken ให้นี่ไง
That's the real old style prawn egg foo young.
What is it here?
It's like
Just like the way we used to make it in our restaurant, except we use a small shrimp. Are you guys the original owners? Or?
Yeah, the original owner. But I'm an employee only.
Oh, you're employee. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, but the original owner,
Before father take care of this restaurant,
Yeah.
right now sister.
Oh,
No. Right
daughter?
now daughter. Yes.
oh,
But same owner, same family.
oh, okay.
Today we're making Chinese egg foo young with chives and chicken. To start, clean 1 stalk of chives. Then chop the chives into small pieces. You need about half a cup of chopped chives. You'll also need half a cup of cooked chopped chicken and 3 eggs. Preheat a pan at medium heat, then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Beat the eggs thoroughly, and then add a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. And then you add half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Light soy sauce is the best. If you like, add a bit of chopped garlic and ginger into your pan. Put the chicken into the pan and give it a quick stir fry. Then add your eggs into the hot pan. After about a minute, add your chives. And then when the edges of the egg omelet are bubbling, flip it over. Cook the eggs for a few more minutes until the egg stops being runny in the middle. Put some hot steamed rice on a plate. Then put the egg foo young on top of the rice. To make the gravy, put about a cup of water into the pan. Bring the water to boil and then add half a teaspoon of chicken soup base. Then add half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Add half a teaspoon of light soy sauce. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 1/4 cup of water. Add this solution to thicken the sauce. For a darker sauce, add a few drops of dark soy sauce. Once the sauce is thickened, pour the sauce over your egg foo young. There you have it. Chinese egg foo young with chives and chicken. Enjoy.